In this video, I will guide you on how to reset all settings on Android. If you want to reset all settings on Android, start by opening up your settings. Now scroll down and find the option of General Management, select that. Once you're here, scroll down and find the option of Reset. Tap on that. Now under Reset section, you will find a couple of options. Go ahead and select the one which is Reset All Settings. Now read the information about what will be reset over here. Then tap on the Reset Settings option. Now to confirm, enter your PIN, then tap on the Reset option to confirm. Once you do that, wait for the device to restart automatically. Once it turns back on, unlock your phone. Now all settings, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and so on will be reset. Your personal data such as photos, files, contacts will remain safe. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.